Here at CSW, we have a wide range of services available to mineral buyers, beginning at organizing the actual in-the-field research for the tract that they're interested in, through to a production of a title opinion.
Our clients are primarily operators within the Marcellus Shale, and they drill wells for oil and gas, and they need to know who owns the oil and gas so they can lease them and pay them and obtain those rights that they need to drill.
You know, you're given this problem and, someone expects you to solve it. So you start from the beginning, 100 years ago or 150 years ago, and you work your way forward.
You basically go through all the records of the courtroom, looking through indices, looking through deed books, mortgage books, lease books.
Sometimes, when things aren't properly recorded, they come to us and trust our judgment on how to proceed going about getting things recorded or the proper steps to fix any issues that come across because of that.
It's a very unique field, small niche area of law. A lot of reading, a lot of writing, a lot of researching, a lot of interpretation, but we deliver every time.
I started the firm in 2008 as a solo attorney. Since that time, we've grown into a firm that has 6 employees, 5 attorneys, and we are a small firm, but we handle a lot of work. We've done a lot of title opinions for the companies that are active in this area.
I think our size and our skill and our attention to detail is really what sets us apart from some of the other operations.
We are holding ourselves to the highest standard when doing any tasks that they give us.
A smaller firm benefits a client because as soon as the request is made, the work goes directly into the attorney's hands and we start working on it, especially if it's something that needs done really quickly.
We're very good at keeping a very organized system so that anytime somebody calls me, I can look very quickly within just a few seconds, get to that title opinion, look at it, and be reading it while I'm talking to them on the phone and answering their questions.
Because of that, they can, talk to me or one of my other associates or Claire directly as opposed to going through a bunch of middlemen, and you get to kind of just directly involve yourself with the client.
But I think that they appreciate having the same person work with them and establish a relationship with them through time, and it makes their job easier and it makes our relationship a little easier, I think.
So one of the reasons why West Virginia title is so difficult to do is because, first of all, the geography is very different from many other states, and it's kind of hard sometimes to pinpoint where parcels of land are located, in relation to how deeds are drafted and things like that.
A lot of companies come into Appalachia and they don't realize that it is so difficult.
We use as a reference other states and their laws, but we can only use them as a reference because the courts here in West Virginia have not decided one way or the other on a particular issue.
So it's our job as attorneys to use what little law we do have to arrive at solutions that solve the complex issues facing our clients.
We're really at the top of our game when it comes to that. Every one of our attorneys has spent the bulk of their time doing West Virginia title.
We are helping to maybe set a precedent in the state that could help our clients and make the job easier in general overall.